How to recover deleted photos in Google Photos. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your Google Photos. After that, tap on your profile icon from your top right corner, and then you will need to access to your bin in order to find your deleted photos. So go to collection, go to bin, and all your deleted photos will be here. But make sure your photos will be deleted after 30 days of deleting them. Now, in order to restore it, simply tap on the photo and then tap on this restore button and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.